Hey everyone, I just popped in really quick to show you what I got from LiquidIV, me and Rome here. And I did get it from Gratsy for me to give a review on. It's just their hydration system, and I think it's really cool. So it does come with 3 of the hydration packs. And of course, this is good right now. It's hot outside. People still drinking alcohol. You need to keep hydrated, okay? I also like that it comes with like a little keychain that you can put the package in, which is really, really dope. And I also like that it comes with a very sturdy water bottle. It is metal, it's steel, it's tough. You can just go ahead and put the keychain with it on there, and you're all good to go. Thanks, Gratsy. Thank you, LiquidIV.